Hello, it's your boy Rahim. In this video, I'm going to share how to make a family-let property generate you £1,000 plus per month. Before we get going, if you like this video or any of my videos, hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these videos. Suppose we want to invest in properties, but we don't really have lots of money and we just want to make very much money from the actual investment we make. So instead of buying a property, rent it to a family, we could do it in another way. One, we could buy a property below market value and properties that we could add value to. This could be a rundown property, a property that needs a bit of work, and a property that we could go and do our own sort of filter it. And then a property that hits the golden rules that I refer to the people and students I work with. So it needs to hit those golden rules. Probably it's in a good location, a touristic town, or places where there's so many events going. We buy the property in that location. And then what we do the renovation. We convert the property into, probably if it's a 2-bed, we convert it into a 3-bed house. Or if it's a massive house, we can convert it into 2 flats so that we could have 2 times 2 bedroom flat in the property. Or simply we can just renovate it as a normal house, as if we are selling the property, i.e. we're going to do it really nice so we can attract whoever walks into that property. So instead of renting it to a family, so what we could do, we can put it on Airbnb or booking.com, so we can then rent it out to guest people, families who are going on holidays. Suppose they're going on holiday for a week, or friends who are going out to an event, or just simply tourists who are coming to a city to enjoy the tourist attraction that city's got to offer. So if we were to put it up there, let's now assume we put the property on Airbnb and booking.com and we're only able to rent this property for 60% of the time. Okay, we're saying we haven't been able to actually rent that property throughout the year, 365 days. We only been able to rent that property 60 times or 60% of the whole year, right? Suppose we bought that property in York. Okay, in York currently, as I do this video, nightly rate is about £145 per night. But in this example, I'm just going to share to reduce the price slightly and say in our analysis, our nightly rate is £140 per night. Okay, at 60% occupancy rate, our 2-bedroom house or flat will generate us £30,500 a year. This figure is an average figure because when you're doing service accommodation, you want to take the annual average figures to be able to work out what your monthly figures are. So an annual figure will be £30,500. Suppose we have a mortgage to pay. That mortgage roughly could be about £4,800 a year. We have our electricity to pay, maybe 720, gas 720, and obviously we do have council tax to pay as well. That could be about £1,112, for example. Wi-Fi 420, cleaning about 1,200 a year. Management, if you've got an agent managing the property, let's say that would be about 15% of our annual turnover. That then takes us to £4,580. TV license, about £168. Repairs and any other cost like insurance, that would cost us about £1,800. So if we deduct all those expenses from our gross rental income of £30,500, if we deduct all that expense, that total expense would be £6,240. So if you deduct that from your £30,500, that property will generate you £14,330 a year. So if you divide that by 12, that property would generate us about £1,200 per calendar month. Again, this is one of the ways you can make your money work a lot harder than renting it out to a family and receive your monthly rental income. And for this strategy, all you do basically is to download the apps on your phone and watch the bookings come through your phone. You sit back and relax, see the money coming in through your account, and enjoy the investment you've made. If you think this video has been helpful, feel free to share it with family and friends. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these videos. If you're really serious about property investing, I would like to invite you to join me in my one-day property investment crash course for free. Click the link in the description below to register your interest, and it's completely free to spend that whole day with me. I will go through all the most recent property strategies investors are taking advantage of to make themselves amazing return on investment. You could also book a free 30-minute call with me. This session is completely free. No string attached. You could ask me any questions about property. You could ask me any questions about property investment. I will also give you hint and tip on how to get started or expedite your property journey. Again, click the link on the description below to register your interest. I am also doing something that I've never done in my life. I would like to invite you to spend a day with me in my home or office in a form of discovery day to learn how you could use the resources you have at your disposal right now to kickstart your property journey or to accelerate your property investment journey. Click the link on the description below to register your interest. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to sharing the next video.